Okay, let's try to stream some shit. Quite a few drop frames, but I don't know. Wait, this is the wrong fucking... This is the wrong channel. Let's take a look if we can actually find our own goddamn channel. That's what I want to search for. Woo! Fucking found it. I'm gonna subscribe to my own channel so I can actually follow it. Okay, this seems to be working just fine. Wait, is this actually live? Whoops. Jump to live. Cool! Excellent. Okay, so what I'm gonna work on right now is a bug in the map editor that causes the UI to sort of just float and instead of stick to the actual view. Create UI. No, it's good. It's like create building editor UI. There we go. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on here. Whoops. Oh, I went to a different file, that's it. Okay. So why is this in such a weird... This is actually very shitty, minimalist UI. Very few threw together in a short amount of time. The interesting thing is that it actually sort of gets the correct position. It's like starts at the top left and top right corners, but it doesn't move with the window position. Main view gets it. Maybe the issue is that I don't call this every time. Okay, yeah. That's the issue right here. So I should call this every loop and to make sure that I should clear everything, right? Yeah. Building editor UI walls.window. Why do I pass window to the UI? She have no clue why I do those things. Actually, I should make like a UI. Okay, let's do this. Let's open our UI class. Oh, to draw it. Okay. I guess that makes sense. Did I spell that right? So all I wanted to do was something along these lines. Yeah, just to make it like a little easier. Oops. This UI class is pretty shit. I should probably fix it, but I'm not going to, not right now. Filling energy UI units. And I think I should move this clear up a bit higher. Now, I also need to do this. Actually, I think I just need to do this. Now let's go to set quad. This name is quite inaccurate. This is more like set quads. This is where everything is drawn. And all the way at the bottom here, there's this thing. Oh shit! Wait. Okay. Yeah, right. Of course, it's drawn every loop. Because if it's not, then I wouldn't be able to see it. But let's see if that fixed the issue. Compiling takes so long. God, compiling takes so goddamn long. There we go. Delete that one. Okay. Also notice that I guess you can see that, but you can actually see that it gives a bunch of extra messages. Shared OpenGL texture capture, which is related to OBS actually capturing the game. Okay, so now the UI sticks to the to the actual screen. So that's good. Now the other thing is that this map is like too small, I think. Like this little box here is all there is to it. So I think I wanna. Should I do that? Maybe not. Okay, so what I was going to do is I was going to make a level. Why can't I see this? I'm putting in units, but I can't see them, which is weird. hell? I fucking break the game, dude. I must have broken something? The hell? Let's comment this out and try to compile again. I don't know who decided to put memes into this, but it's kind of stupid. It's kind of gross. Okay, so now it's not stuck anymore. Okay, that's interesting. Huh. So apparently calling create building editor UI every loop breaks everything? That doesn't make any sense. What does this do? Building editor UI walls, building editor UI units. What else does this do? Values that get wall 0. Wait, what the hell? Oh, interesting. Huh. What else does this do? Window position, window width. It doesn't touch anything else. Huh. I add units so I can see them, however existing units are still there. If I delete this, but then add it back in, I can see it on the minimap, but not on the real map. Okay, so if they already exist, they do get drawn. Fucking. You know that I actually don't have a fucking clue what's going on here. I really don't. I have no fucking clue. Okay, so here let's do something else. So instead of simply calling create building out of the UI like over and over again, which is kind of pointless. Or it's not pointless, but it's inefficient. Let's instead remove this, then go to draw building entity UI, and change this function to also change the position. So let's go to create building entity UI. So this right here, it positions the I don't know why I commented that out. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. Let's go down back to the really small function. If I can find it, here it is. So let's just add this here. So this may look like really stupid and inefficient, and it totally is. Do not worry about that. You are absolutely correct if you think something like that. In fact, there is a good chance this will not compile because I skipped something that's here that should be here. Let me see. Size was not declared in the scope. See, this is exactly why I thought it would not compile. Huh. But text size is defined there, even though it was also commented out there. This is the same thing, right? Yeah, it's the exact same thing. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay, let's try this out now. No, it's with different. Whoops. Click the wrong button. Oh yeah, I just remembered it's Hotmail. There we go. Okay, let's try this out. Hey, it works now. I actually literally have no clue why it actually broke that. So what we were doing, we were gonna make a level. So what do we want? We want this. We want some of this. Oh, these are hostile. Let's not do that. I should probably fix that. Add some neutral units. I kind of like the fact that they're smaller now because fuck's sake. I don't know if their collision is smaller though. I don't think it is actually. Maybe I made them too small. Also, I don't get why the rings are so inconsistent. Like some cases it's not happening, and some cases it is. That's weird. Is it location based? Oh, it is location based. Oh, and I know exactly why. Oh, dude. Okay, let's fix that. So let's just interrupt this. Or do I know exactly why? Okay, so this is where if unit intersects. Okay, so if the unit intersects with view, these it's drawn basically. Why is this not working? Is the view not getting updated? Where is it getting view from? Main view gets if view is this should all trigger, right? Am I crazy? If game state default. Oh, wait a minute. So it doesn't do this. This is skipped. Does that matter though? Okay, let's add this just for testing. It should work. Like I don't know why it doesn't. So now they will only be drawn if they intersect the view. Did I do something weird here? I don't think so. Oh, wait a minute. No, wait, because the thing is the UI is also. I think the UI is also replaced Yeah, look at this here. The UI, this does work. This displays correctly. And it's also based on the main view. Let's see where else this is used. Set life bars. It's used in set quad. Yeah, okay, that's it. Oops, that's so weird. That's so weird. Huh, okay. Does it change if I change the view? It does, actually. Okay. So let's take a look at this again. Is the view changed somehow? Okay, so let's just delete all of this shit. No, I need to restart it. I need to restart the actually one of them. Okay, and then just like boom. Okay, so this right now is not drawing. Is not drawing the circle. It's not drawing the red circle around it, even though it should be. So let's debug this. Let's see. Visible units. Oh, wait a minute. This is based on visible units. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this right here to game state default. And I'm going to add it to the editor as well. There's the for loop. And it should be units instead. Does this make sense? No, it doesn't. This is what it should look like. Okay, let's try this again. I believe now that it was actually the visibility thing that was making it work or not work. Okay. Let's go back to this. Okay. Huh, that's interesting. Okay. The fuck? This is clearly fucked. Okay, these are just fine. These are fine too. Wait, what the hell did I select? Okay, well this is working now. Okay. Okay, now I want to make some changes to this. So do that. And we only want to draw any of this if the unit is enabled. Yeah, okay. So this is fine. Let's recompile. Okay, cool. So now you can very easily see what faction is Langston. Okay, for some reason when you start the game, the window is not centered properly. I don't ever get why. I'm gonna blame sfml for that one, but you can see it actually. Well, it's not. You can't actually see it, but the bar that is at the bottom of the screen is basically not counted. It's kind of weird. There's like a small gap at the top too. I don't know. Maybe I should fix that now. That would just be Googling how to fix that shit. So what are these? We want some workers. We want some neutral workers. Let's do like, just add like a bunch of them. Too many though. Okay, so I want this to be kind of like a street. I guess I kind of already fucked that up just a little bit, but let's just add a wall right here. It looks so stupid. Let's do like this. This still looks stupid. Oh well, I guess it's gonna look stupid. And let's put like a door here. I should really do something about how stupid this looks. Brick walls all the way at the top, I guess. So the idea is that at a certain timer, a convoy of enemy units will spawn here and move in this way, in this direction. God, it's gonna be fucking complicated as hell, dude. I like how the UI is drawn under the, how the fucking shit is drawn under the UI. Let's just fix that real quick. Yeah, that's this right here. Even though it's kind of pointless because this UI actually doesn't do anything. Maybe I should disable this. Like only draw this for default. No, I don't know. It just doesn't really matter, I guess. Okay. God, I don't even know what to do next. I guess I should work on the like trigger/action system. Oh no, this is the wrong file. Let's close that. I'm looking for a file I made quite recently, which is called event. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Right, okay, now I remember what I was doing. So instead of an event action right here, I want to make a new class. And I guess I might as well put this in the same file. Like, what the fuck is the point of making separate files for all of this shit? There is no fucking point. How would I call this? I guess I'll call it a... action. I guess action is fine. No, that's stupid. Let's give it a fucking better name than that. This is like such a fucking issue, dude. No fucking style guide will help you think of good names. It's like, oh yeah, start capitalized and shit, but like, you need to think of an actually like unique name that's informative, that actually like tells me what this is, because I will forget. I should call this like like map action, something like that. I guess that works. Okay. So what do I want in here? I think I should include, I want to include unit. And I probably want to include wall as well. And I don't think, for God's sake, I don't think I need rect now, because that's in unit 2 and it's also a wall. Yeah, type is fine. Or I guess I'll just call this action type. Okay, so instead of this, we have this here. That looks good to me. So I want like to be able to create a bunch of units. Same for walls. That's not, why am I didn't even do this right either. It's not. Yeah, I don't think I want a, oops. I fucked this up too. This should not be capitalized. Oops. What else? So the nice thing about using vectors like this is that I don't need to add like a bool. So like create vector, create wall, just leave those empty and it'll be fine. Which reminds me I should do this. I don't think it actually matters, but just in case. So what else do I want here? I think I want like an order queue here. Yeah, I think I do. Let's include order. Order queue? Is that a class? I don't even know my own fucking shit. It is, look at that. I think I put one E too many in there. Now I gotta open order queue. I don't know why I made a separate class for this. This is like one of the most pointless classes I actually made. I fell for the OOP meme right here. Okay. Vectors. No, that doesn't matter. Oh, look at how limited this is. Okay, that's fine. So what I think I also want to do here is just like real simple. So this is not event, this is not. this is double wrong. It's just map action. Action. Okay. Alright, I want to do this, right? Same thing here. Just add those, no big deal. The order thing, I'll need to work on that. So the issue is that when those units get added, they need to have orders to move. And I don't fucking know how to do that. I need to think about that for like a while. Okay, but let's compile because there's going to be a bunch of errors. There we go. Just immediately get errors. At a global scope. Event action. Init, right, of course init is wrong. Oh, right. It's a map action now. And I can't just make this with a cast. I need to do like get map action, I guess. I guess the map doesn't actually have anything. Wait a minute. It just occurred to me that I don't think I saved these events yet. Map 4 question mark. Okay, here it is. What was it called? Event action. Okay. Now we need to write get map action. You know what I should really actually do is look into fucking serialization of data. I think that would really help a lot. I want to like a way to just turn any like class. I want a simple way to turn any class or data type into just bytes, so I can just put them in a fucking text file somewhere. Hmm. So I don't think I actually need to change very much here at all. Except the data types, I guess. So here, of course, map action is the primary data type. And the other ones are... There is a type... See, this is the issue here. I have this... Actually, I don't have fucking... My naming is just not consistent enough. That was not good, actually. That was not what I wanted. Action type. I keep having to like go back to the file to actually look at what I named it, and then fucking I can... it's just a real pain in the ass. And I've yet to find a solution for this. Action type. I mean, it's not like always, but this is nothing. I'll open my window. That's probably good. I think this has some more bugs. Oh yeah, this is still fucked, by the way. I don't think about it. Do you have to get units? Fuck. I guess I should write a get units function and have like consistent. The real question is like how much data do I actually want to put into the units? Because really, I could like also add like the order queue. I could add the order queue like in the unit. Like the unit has its own order queue. It's like just a data type that's inside of the unit. So I don't even really need to have that separate. But oh god. feels like this feels so inefficient and so slow to me. Like there should be like an easier way to do this, shouldn't there? But then when I actually think about it, maybe not. Because if you have like a vector inside of your fucking data type, then how the hell is it gonna know? How the hell is this? How the hell is the fucking parsing function gonna know? Oh god, it's gonna be complicated. I don't know. I got nothing. Okay, whatever data types here for your units. Whoops. Oh my fucking god. Okay, I'm actually gonna remove this because I don't know if I'll use it. Oops. How do I do this? Yeah, get wrecked. Okay, I don't think I need. Okay. So we'll leave it at this for now. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and it's gonna give me like a bunch of errors. I guess I should fix some of them. Event action. Units at H. Two six seven. Oh, right. It's the function, of course. Like that. Well, again. Yeah, okay. Did I fuck something up here? It's possible. No, I don't see anything. You know, this is I'm gonna get this anymore. Oh, I guess that one was missing. And there's no event action. Okay. So the stupid thing is I already pretty much wrote a get units function. I didn't write it as get units, and I should have done that from the start. I should have been consistent. The reason I didn't is because I wanted to. I initially approached it from the angle of writing in a way of being able to write it in a way that it's easy to edit by just typing. I realize now that I need to make an editor. I just need to make an editor. Like, there's no way I can like type in maps. It's just not gonna work. Mostly because of positions, really. Hex editor. Maybe I should make a hex editor. Nah, I don't think that's useful. Okay, that's good.